Good morning. Good morning. Look at these sweeties. Look at these footsie wootsies. I love you. I love you so much. 2, 3. She's up. She's up. Where you go? Hey, Mama. Morning, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. I look absolutely crazy. Today is Monday the 1st of March, aka St. David's Day, which is like a Welsh day. You know, when you have that St. Patrick's Day for Ireland, whatever. St. David's Day is a Wales day. So we're gonna put Mila in a little Welsh outfit and we cover. Do you want me in the camera? Is that what it is? Is that what it is, Mush? It's what we're up to today. I have some errands to run. I'm gonna take Mila to the park. She's gonna give him a swing. And we went yesterday. She loved it. It was really, really busy yesterday because it was sunny and it was a Sunday. You ready for your breakfast? Mush? You want your breakfast? Alright, okay. Let's come in. Is it your show? Let's come in.
I wish it was a good morning, Rainbow Ruby, but unfortunately it's not. We have a big problem.
Well, I'm here to help.
Thank goodness. Follow me and I'll show you what's going on. Everyone's so excited for the Rainbow Ball Tournament.
Is it a bit hot?
Once a year. Villagers come from miles around.
Her dad put Yoruba on in the background. But say happy St. David's Day. Okay. So little Welsh rugby top. Little Welsh teddy. Hey. You ready? Are you ready? Are you? Come on. You got everything. Let me just get your water. So we're at the park. Just got here. Yeah, I had to drop something off for delivery because the collection, Hermes collection, just never show up. So I thought, you know what, let me just walk. And I walked to where I thought it was. So I was near the park, it makes sense. He was like, no, you need to go to this one. So she's literally like the opposite directions. Ready? Are you singing? Boo! 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 Do you want to sit back? Relax. Relax. Ready? Sleeping. So I've honestly been trying to like post these things for like 2 weeks. Even one person got a refund on the item, so I had to resell it, which is so annoying. And now I've gone to the place. He's like, oh yeah, we have a printer here. I was thinking, perfect, I can print it here. He was like, show me the thing. He's like, there's no QR code, you can't print it here. I was like, so what am I supposed to do? He was like, you have to print it somewhere else. I was like, I've been to every store. We're in the middle of a pandemic lockdown. Nowhere, no printing stores are open near here. I've honestly been trying to do this for so long. I'm arguing with the guy. He's like, well, nothing I can do. I was like, I've written the address, can you not just scan the barcode and give it to the Hermes people? He was like, no. Anyway, we're home now. Just got to the gate. He's ate some food, so I'm starving. We're sleeping. I left her in a pram at the front. What am I gonna eat? Because I'm so hungry. Yes, leftover roast dinner. She got not opened it. Why did she do that? Leftover dinner, like it's a lot, I know. Did have chicken, but clean up in it as always. But yeah, I'm gonna munch on this. Hey.
And be really organized.
Hey.
Luckily, I have some helpful things in my rainbow roll-up.
Literally can't leave her now because she's on the move. Yep, talking about you. Come here. Come this way.
Welcome, dear.
Come this way.
Thank you for coming to my party.
Come this way, Mila. Are you sliding on your sockies? Come on. I was gonna go to Manchester tonight with my boyfriend and Mila, obviously. So I'm picking up my car tomorrow from there. Because he's working today, there'll be like a rush kind of thing going tonight. So I thought there's no point, and I wanted to go to like have a hotel, a little spa, like whatever. But obviously because COVID, like you can't use a spa or anything anyway. So yeah, there's basically no point in rushing. For no reason, so we're just gonna go in the morning. So yeah, not much else going on today, but come on, let me get in the car. Are you excited? It's basically your car, Mila. Mummy and Mila's car. Woohoo! So we've just taken Mila up to change her pre-bum, and we come downstairs and it's just another poo. Up and down and up and down and up and down. Back up we go. What are you trying to eat? Ow! What's wrong with you? Hey guys, so I've just ordered food because yeah, my boyfriend's just gone out. Hey guys, say hi. Mila's just having her dinner. It's like pumpkin, sweet potato. Forgot what else is in there, but she loves it. You love it, don't you, baby? I just ordered food because I made a Sunday dinner yesterday and it literally takes hours. So can't be asked cooking today, and my boyfriend's just popped out, so he's not gonna be here for food. Just no point cooking. And yeah, we're watching this series called Mr. Mercedes. Mila hates when the attention goes off her. Don't you? You're a cheeky bum. I know, you're cheeky. So I'm gonna finish Mila's dinner. We're gonna get our Jim Jams on. Okay. Let's. So we was chilling here, watching telly. Here was Mummy's food. But Mila said, no, Mom, I'm hungry, so, didn't you? Don't see that. This is Mila's little setup. Look, I got this for her head to lie on, so she's super comfy when she's getting changed. Do you know, Mila, Mommy thinks of you like that, you know? comfort. Mila's got her jammies on. Show them your jammies. You're all cozy. I love the Hoover lines. Don't me rush. Mummy loves the Hoover lines, which you're about to ruin. Bless you. You got our gym jams on. Oh, my titty's hanging out. Don't want titties hanging out on YouTube, do we, Mila? We're gonna go watch Mr. Mercedes. Mila's gonna be a good girl, and then I'm gonna get an early night because I'm gonna be up early to pick up my car. Yeah! We happy? So yeah, I'll probably just speak to you guys tomorrow. Say night night. Mila. Mimus. My vlog camera. Let's bust it. What's that? Yeah, so I was rushing to leave and I've got my vlog camera. Half a face of makeup, looking a bit crazy, got some lashes on the train, but we're at the station. You've not ate that already. Yeah, we're in the lounge waiting. There's that type of coffee, then the swap so I can have tea, can't drink or eat in the lounge because it's locked down. So annoying. Let's get faster, aren't we? Can't believe I've got my vlog camera, but I thought, do you know what, let me just try it on my phone so at least I've got something. Hello. Just put your messy hands on Mummy. Mila.
Racy and Sarah.
Not my car, unfortunately.
Full carbon interior, full carbon exterior.
Oh god. So good. Guys. Love it, love it, love it. Oh guys. I'm trying to act cool. Mila, how do you feel about this car? Right, look at the wheels, guys. It's the wheels for me. Try not to get my license plate in, but shh, baby. Do you like Mummy's new car? Next car I'm getting, guys, is going to be the Urus, my dream car. Still here, just signing all the papers. Taking a little bit longer than I expected. I'm sat in the car with Mila. Ooh, got my nipple out. Hello. Quick update. Just pulled over. This is why Mila's on my lap. It's quite late. We was in dealership for a while. My boyfriend's driving because I was just sitting in the back with Mila. 11 in the car still. Sorry I haven't vlogged much today because obviously I'm with my boyfriend and he's not really not really a camera person. He doesn't really you know, doesn't cooperate. He wouldn't whip the vlog out and vlog for me either. He's just he's not on the camera stuff. So yeah, we had a lack of vlogging today, but so annoying I've got my vlog because it makes me like less likely as well to like whip my vlog out because I just feel like it's so annoying it's on my phone. This quality is probably horrendous and I'm really sorry for that. Mila's tired, isn't you? Tired, didn't you, babe? We're having breakfast. Yeah. Mummy got a vlog camera back. Yeah. We can make us some breakfast. We forgot to say goodnight last night, didn't we? Didn't we? Turning on. What do you want to watch, honey? Let's watch Rainbow Ruby. Patience. Are you angry? I just remembered I got a new car. You go look at my baby. Oh, look at that beauty. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. Why are you crying? She's crazy. Okay, let me make her breakfast. Have a rainbow, rainbow, rainbow.
Okay, everybody, keep that fairy sauce coming. Jessie has the hiccups.
Someone's gonna move this morning.
Jessie's hiccups.
Little Miss Grumpy.
I know. My mom taught me to
She'll be happy after this, guys. So when she's fed and happy, we will be back.
water for Jessie.
Won't we?
You're right, Gina. A truckload of water is exactly what we need.
So my breath. I'm so unfit. Okay. So Mila's dad keeps going on about I need to get her sleeping in her own room. Like she can't be sleeping in the bed all the time. Anyway, so I thought, okay, let me try. She's never ever slept in her cot. So I thought, let me try put her in there today for a nap. So she fell asleep in my arms, and I thought, let me put her in a cot. Usually I'll try to put her down, she wakes up straight away. But I put her in a cot and she's still in there, she's sleeping currently, so I'm really happy. My little baby. But yeah, I don't know if any other mums can relate, but like I love co-sleeping. Like I love going to sleep with her, I love cuddling her in the middle of the night. Like I love she like has little wriggles, it just cuddles me. Like I just love co-sleeping, so I feel like I'm not ready to stop doing that, but I know like it's probably best for her as well. It just makes me sad. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna every morning at like 7 or 8, I'm gonna grab her and bring her into my bed so I can have my morning cuddles. So it's not that bad. Let me show you. Gonna send her dad a picture. He won't believe I've actually put her in her cot. She's doing a face mask. I just had dinner. We have this chef now. He was really good. It's not like an in-house chef, but she'll like drop it off. The food is insane. So good. Sorry, I can barely move my face. It's so tight. Wow. Do you know a face mask which really feels like it's working? Oh my god. Yeah, so what do we have? Like sea bass and okra, like in a fish stew thing. Fried chicken, mac and cheese, vegetables. It was so nice. So tired. So tired. So I'm gonna watch this documentary. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up early and just sort my life out. I need to edit videos. I need to plan content. Downstairs with her dad, so I can just shower and do my face mask. But yeah, I'm gonna make tea, watch a series, and yeah, before I put Mila to sleep, I'll have her say goodnight and whatever. Hey Smiler. I've just taken my face mask off. Skin is wild, like I'm not even gonna, I don't know what's going on, guys. Say hey. Actually say goodnight. Me and Meanie Moo's going to bed. Aren't we, babe? Say night night. Say night night. So that's my phone flash. I have like the lights off and my phone flash on when we go to sleep, isn't it? So we have a little bit of light. Go kisses. We see you in the morning. We see you in the morning. Good morning. Hi. Hi, baby. You saying hi? Morning. I put face mask on last night, as you've seen. I've had a wild breakout. Like, oh my god, you can do a dot on my face. Like, why is clear skin just not happening for me? Why is it not happening for Mummy Mila? I'm trying to get both of us in. Anyway, today I have lots of stuff to catch up on. So I'm gonna close the vlog here. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so annoyed still that I forgot my vlog when I went to get my car, but hi. But yeah. See you in the next video. Say bye, Mimis. Say bye. Thank you.